Okay, so welcome back to Goomanese Coins and Banknotes, and I don't have a microphone today. But today we are talking about how you can assess the actual silver content of your coin that is pretty well circulated. So a lot of coins do have a high circulation, and we're just talking about silver coins here. So we've got a few here. We've got the United States 1904 quarter dollar. We have a United Kingdom half crown, so 1902. So these are high silver content. So I think the EC is 90%, 92.5%. And here we have a German 1 mark from 1976. And based on the eagle, this is also pretty well circulated. Now you can do this with other coins. So we've got some Italian 500 lira. These ones don't show as much circulation, but I reckon we'll throw those in because I've got 3 of them. And I've got 2. Where's the other German? Okay, I've got 2 of the actual 1 mark coins. So I reckon we'll focus mostly on the German and the actual Italian coins because I've got more than one. But, you know, you can do it with a lot of silver coins. So here I've got 50% silver. There's quite a few dates, but all of these should be pretty similar. And the weights that you're going to get in catalogs are for uncirculated coins. They're not circulated because, as you see, when a coin does circulate, or these silver did circulate, they have lost a lot of the actual metal on the coin. And yes, that is actually being worn. Now, does it happen with current coins? Yes, it does. Here's another. Is this a half crown? Don't know. No, it's a florin. Okay, just compare the size. This is probably a Gothic florin. That's pretty well circulated. So that's lost a lot of silver. And it compares differently to, you know, the current coins. So these are just silver, copper and nickel coins, not silver. And these ones, it doesn't matter if it loses silver. I mean, if it loses any metal, because it's still going to be worth 50 cents. And here's one from 1974. It's well circulated. Anyway, so yeah, whatever. Mama. Cat's driving me crazy. There she is. Hello, Ripon. Yes, the name is Ripon because Ripon and other animals apart. But anyway, so first of all, what you need is a scale. And this one is not the best of scales, but it's just one that I purchased because I needed it. And yeah, all the Nepalese coins. I'm going to make Nepalese coin videos. So what you need to do is you need to see if these are actually calibrated. So you can actually get a bunch of, okay, can you see the actual, you can get a bunch of weights that are pretty expensive that are actually calibrated by the what's the International Union of Weights or whatever. Or you can just use, what I like to do is I like to get coins. So these have to be pretty uncirculated coins. And in Australia, what I like to use is just average circulating coins are actually in high grade. So 82. So these ones will not have lost too much of their actual weight. Probably not even 1 gram. Okay, so the actual weight of, I need to get rid of that. Okay, so the weight of a 20-cent coin is 11.31 grams. So, is that even on? No, that's okay. Let's see if we can. This camera. Okay, so yeah, you can see it there. So basically, we got 11.3 grams. So we don't have the 1. So it seems to be good. Another 2000. Yeah, 11.3. Another one, 2000, 11.3. And just remember, there's a weight difference or a tolerance that these coins do have. I believe it might be about half a gram for a 20-cent coin. So 11.3. This one, 1980, 11.3. And these two, 2012. So it looks like the actual scales is pretty accurate, 11.3 grams. So that's how I like to actually calibrate it. So I reckon this is actually pretty good. So the first coin we're going to look at is, no, we'll do that one later because that one's pretty well worn. Okay, we're to the German 1 mark. So this is the specifications of a 1 mark. It's 5.556 grams, 90% silver. If you go down below, you can see, we're not worried about mintages. You can see that it's 5 grams looking for a silver, and it's $16.40 at silver at $3.28 per gram.